Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to send photos and videos in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to send photos or videos. Right here, I have already gone to the chat interface with my friend Tom right here. At the bottom, you can see the gallery-like icon right here next to camera. Denote that you can select any of these options, this plus icon, camera or gallery. All of these buttons will lead you on sending photos and videos. For now, I'm simply gonna try to send photos and videos from this button right here, that is gallery. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to select the photos. I'm gonna select them right now. Well, right here, this is also a video. Let's say I select this one. Both of them are okay with me. And do note that you have the option to send them in the original resolution. Simply click on this original button, and once everything's okay, simply hit on send. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, the photo and video are being sent. Do note that you can also share the photos and videos from camera and also the files. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.